to work. I'm gonna eat some food before I'm gonna buy one patty and yes. There's some turkey in here, isn't it? So I really want the food yeah, and go in now, but so I'm gonna start catching you guys later. Hi you guys. Well, I just finished have lunch. Very hungry, so I could have chat. But you're belly full now. I come here now. So, what want to do? Yeah, yeah, like going go back to work now. I'm tired. I want to go home. I always want to go home. So, I want to go to my Wi-Fi. So, I know that it's supposed to be a very short vlog. I'm trying. I'm just tired, you guys. I'm just tired. So, anyways, talk to you later, yeah? Bye. Hi, you guys. I know you guys can't really see me that well. As you guys can see, I'm going home. This is the little mad side of me, but they're the boss of the crew. Yeah, with my team members and work, colleagues and all that. So, they say the bus full, and I say, who last time I reach home? Me, you know? I only forgot what 1-5. But otherwise, I'm there. No work tomorrow. Ooh. So, how was the day? Yeah, comment below, how was the day? Well, as you can see, my day was alright. And some of my chat to at the bus. So, basically, I'm reach home. Watch out, Gerald, you know, say hi.
So people.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm looking general that you know. Might look red right to say you, but anyways, yeah. So I catch you guys in the next one. I say, what they here now? And Gerald come talk about me crazy. Gerald, why you say me crazy?
Well, given the circumstances, one would be you recording in a host of us. Two would be holding a person's phone near the window. And three would be you're not even recording your own face right now.
You're recording? Oh, sorry.
That would be four.
Them say me crazy, guys. You guys, I'm not crazy, okay?
Joke me a joke.
Yeah, joking my joke. It must say about oh Pisces are crazy, but I'm not crazy. Or am I? Gerald.
Yeah.
Are you crazy or me?
Me?
Yeah.
But they were sure now. But I'm not sleep right now.
Okay. So, but I stayed on the bus. I gave some joke and just chat. Be foolish, she's still reach home. So, yes! So we're there. Yes, sir. I'm lighting. Yes. You laughing for me? They want to laugh for me. I know they want to laugh for me for. So let me see. What? Gerald, why you put me like say? What?
Me?
Yes.
Me?
Yes.
Me that look so hard again.
I mean, I look for them say why I'm crazy.
So you look on the next side of the window.
Same thing. He might try to style me.
I'm not style. Listen, I'm not a designer. I'm not style people.
Okay. Anything you say, sir. You're not telling buy. I not go
Bye.
Yeah. Hey, you guys might look crazy though. Man. I'm tired. Man, I got the ears. I forgot to make ear. You let me know where the place there, but my find where this thing. So you see, like I'm there a week. And I go and watch some news. My appointment was at 12. I reach at 12 and 4. So maybe Yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next clip. Is either when my hair is finished or during. My hair finally finished. I come here from after 12 and after 9 now. Can you believe that? But anyways, me I leave for go after 3 now. I know say on the can't really still because the lighting not tree up. And so I reach home, I show now, sit now. But no me I go after 3 for look for come hungry. So later. Yes you guys, we finally reach home. What a hectic day, huh? So I'm gonna buy dinner at after 3. And you know some after show my dinner. I'm sure. Sweet and sour chicken, rice, a piece of veg at my place name, Chicken and Things. And there's Skippy. Skippy, say hi. Skippy not paying you any mind, so may I go ahead have my dinner. If nothing, but talk to you either later, or if it's not later, it's definitely tomorrow. Cause tomorrow is gonna be a long day, so. Because I realized I never posted one vlog yesterday. I'm sorry again. I just close the vlog right now and just upload it right now as I speak. And tonight post notification code goes out to the Kayla. Kayla, you me attack? Yes, you me attack. Good, yes. Big up yourself. I know say watch my video. I know say watch them. It's like you're just afraid for comment, but you always message me down on WhatsApp. Dirty Kayla. So big up yourself, Kayla. So I'm gonna give one post notification shout out this time. It's like Kayla. So so if you would like a post notification, are you? You know what to do already, right? If not, you gotta be subscribed to my channel, liking my videos and commenting, and I can pick any one of y'all. I may be one or two of y'all as a post notification shout out. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. And remember, you can also screenshot your favorite parts of my vlog and put it on your social media and tell your friend to subscribe to my channel. Yeah. So I'll see you guys tomorrow because tomorrow is going to be a busy day. So see you guys tomorrow, you guys. So good night and have you guys sweet dreams and don't let the bed bugs bite. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.